If you've been eyeing an entry-level turntable that bridges nostalgia and modern convenience, this may be it. It has full 3-speed compatibility, 33 1/3, 45 and 78 RPM, meaning your entire collection will play without issue. The belt drive system keeps unwanted noise and vibration out of the signal path and provides a clean, warm sound. The auto stop function is a welcome addition too, preventing wear and tear on the needle. Its most impressive design choice is how it achieves such a small footprint. A standard 12-inch disc actually overlaps the unit. Because this would normally prevent the lid from closing during playback, the manufacturer cleverly included cutouts on the front and side. Nice. Bluetooth is input only, meaning you can't use an external Bluetooth speaker, but you can connect wired external speakers. But because it has its own built-in speakers, you can be up and running straight out of the box. There are a few trade-offs. The speakers are pretty basic, so don't expect to hear lower frequencies. There's also a robotic voice which announces whichever mode you've selected.
Bluetooth mode. Vinyl mode.
It's a minor thing, but it interrupts the vintage aesthetic. Ultimately, this player is a good choice for those who value a tidy, space-efficient design and simple operation. It's a stylish, convenient, and affordable way to start a vinyl collection. Recommended.